Good morning, students. We are in second chapter, linear equation in one variable, and we are solving the problems of second exercise. Okay, so come to the solution. Our next question is, listen questions carefully. Yes, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 3 if numerator is increased by 14 and denominator is decreased by 3. The new number becomes 11 by 4. What is the original number? Okay? This question is related to fraction, and we all know that in a fraction there is a numerator and denominator. You can say that fraction is equal to numerator and denominator. On this principle this question is based. Okay, look here. Denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 3. Suppose that numerator is x, then denominator is x plus 3. Let numerator of the fraction be x. Let denominator of the fraction be x plus 3. Hence, fraction can be written as x by x plus 3. Okay. Now, if numerator is increased by 14 and denominator is decreased by 3, then we can write numerator is increased by 14, then new numerator is equal to, our numerator is x, which is increased by 14, we can write x plus 14, and denominator is decreased by what? Decreased by 3. Then new denominator we can write, our first numerator denominator is x plus 3, and when it is decreased by 3 we can write x plus 3 minus 3. 3 cancel, that is x. Hence, new fraction, numerator by denominator, numerator is x plus 14 and denominator is x. Our new denominator fraction becomes x plus 14 by x. Now, according to question, if numerator is increased by 14 and denominator is increased by 3, the new number or new fraction, you can say, becomes 11 by 4, which is our new fraction. Hence we can write x plus 14 by x is equal to 11 by 4. Now go for cross multiplication, or 14 into x plus 14 is equal to 11 into x, or sorry, it was wrong. 4 into x, that is 4x, plus 4 into 14, that is 56, is equal to 11x. 4x minus 11x is equal to minus 56, or minus 7x is equal to minus 56. Hence, x is equal to 56 by 7, that is 8. Means we have the value of x is equal to 8, and x is our numerator of the fraction. Hence, numerator is equal to x is equal to 8, denominator is equal to what? X plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Hence, fraction is equal to numerator by denominator means 8 by 11. It is our answer. Got it? I hope you got it. Okay na? Okay students, our next question is based on 2 digits number. Question is, a number has 2 digits. The digit at tens place is 4 times the digit at units place. If 54 is subtracted from the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. I hope such type of questions you have solved in class 7th. That's why I'm not going to tell you more about it. I'm just give you brief knowledge about it. We all know that in 2 digits number there are 2 places. Okay na? One is its unit place and other is its 10th place. In this question, it is given that the digit at tens place is 4 times the digit of unit place. Suppose that let the digit of which place? The digit of ones place is equal to x. Ones place is equal to x. Hence, or let the digit of tens place is equal to, it is given that the digit of tens place is 4 times, that is 4x. Then we have to form the number of 2 digits. Number is equal to 10 into the digit of tens place, that is 4x, plus the digit of ones place, that is x, is equal to 40x plus x, that is 41x. अब लोगों की ये नंबर हम कहाँ से लाए? तुम्हें पता, अब जैसे कि जानते हो कि 2 डिजिट्स का नंबर है, हमें 1 डिजिट पता है, वंस प्लेस का डिजिट तुम्हें 2 दिया हुआ है, टेंस प्लेस का वंस प्लेस का डिजिट है 2 और टेंस प्लेस का डिजिट मान लो 5 दे दिया, 5 है तुम्हारा टेंस प्लेस का डिजिट. इससे तुम्हें बोलेगा नंबर बनाओ, तुम्हारा आंसर क्या होगा? 52. कैसे बनाए? तो हम बोलेंगे जो टेंस प्लेस का डिजिट है 5, उसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे क्योंकि इसका प्लेस वैल्यू 10 है, टेंस प्लेस पर है, और जितने 2 का प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 1, इसलिए हम 2 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करके इसे ऐड कर देंगे. That is 50 plus 2, it is 52. In the same way, in this question, okay na, the digit of unit place is x and the digits of tens place is 4x. That's why we write 10 into the digit of tens place plus 1 into the digit of unit place. That is 10 into 4x, that is 4x plus x is equal to 40x. And 40x is our 2 digits number. You can write, means when we multiply 10 by 4x, that is 40x and plus x. When 40x is added to x, it becomes 41x. We can write 2 digits number. 2 digits number is equal to 41x. Now, our next condition for this question is, if 54 is subtracted from the number, means number is 41. According to question, we can write 41x minus 54. It becomes the digits are reversed. Digits are reversed मतलब जो पहले वंस डिजिट प्लेस पर था वो अब टेंस प्लेस पर, मीन्स वंस प्लेस वाले टेंस प्लेस पर आ जाएंगे और टेंस प्लेस वाले वंस प्लेस पर आ जाएंगे. तो 10 इंटू टेंस प्लेस पर पहले कितने थे? 4x और वंस प्लेस पर थे x. अब वंस प्लेस वाले टेंस प्लेस पर आ जाएंगे और जो टेंस प्लेस पर थे वो वन प्लेस पर चले जाएंगे. 41x minus 54 is equal to 10x plus 4x, और 41x minus 54 is equal to 14x, और 41x minus 14x is equal to 54, और when we subtract from this 27x is equal to 54. Hence x is equal to 54 by 27. We got 2. Now see, 2 digits number, 2 digit number is equal to 41x, that is 41 into x the value 2, that is 82, and 82 is our 2 digit number. means 2 digit. Yes, 2 digit. Now our next question is, the length of a rectangle exceeds the breadth by 6 centimeters. If the length is increased by 3 centimeters and breadth decreased by 2 centimeters, the area remains the same. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Means the length of a rectangle exceeds the breadth by 6 centimeters. Suppose करो, let the breadth of the rectangle is equal to x. Let the length of the rectangle is equal to x plus 6. Okay. Now we have to find the area. Area is equal to x means length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length के जगह हमें पुट करना है x plus 6 and x, that is x square plus 6x. This is the area. Now from the question, if the length is increased by 3 centimeters, we can write new length. Length is increased by 3 centimeters, means our original length is x plus 6 plus 3, that is x plus 9. We can write x plus 9 is our new length, and breadth decreased by 2 centimeters. Our old breadth or original breadth, new breadth. Original breadth is x, which is decreased by 2 centimeters. We can write x minus 2. Okay. The area remains the same. We have to find the new area. Hence, new area is equal to, we can write length into breadth, that is x plus 9 into x minus 2. Okay, na? Is equal to x into x minus 2 plus 9 into x minus 2, or equal to x square minus 2x plus 9x minus 80 is equal to x square plus 7x minus 80. This is our new area, and according to question, in both cases area does not change, means areas are equal. We can write x square means new original area is x square plus 6x is equal to our new area, means x square plus 7x minus 18. We have to solve this equation. X square plus 6x, we have to transpose this these terms, minus x square plus minus 7x is equal to minus 18, plus minus cancel, minus x is equal to minus 18, hence x is equal to 18. Means our new, means x is our breadth, hence breadth of is equal to x is equal to 18 centimeters. Hence length of the rectangle, that is x plus 6 centimeters, is equal to 18 plus 6 is equal to 24 centimeters. Okay, na? Means breadth is 18 centimeters and length is 24 centimeters. These are your answers. Okay. Okay, students, you must have to solve these problems of your exercise, and I will come in next class and solve next problems. Okay, and take care.